how long it takes to make musical instruments and send it to customer. Let's see. First thing is I didn't make only one drum at a time. I'm making small batches like 10-20 drums. When I have all materials in my workshop and everything being laser cut, it takes maybe like 5-6 days, 3 days for glue and other for polishing and tuning. Short break on the mountain for coffee, and let's see. Hảo. Is phim này.
Echoes blend with a gentle hum. Night won't last, but here will come. Drizzle falls in a lazy sway, washing worries of yesterday. Streetlights dance.
It's pretty good looking view, and welcome to Chongqing city. Okay, let's move on and I show you some final process of making drums. So there is 2 drums waiting for my process, and today I need to cut this off, cut these remains of sealant and make a final tuning and pack it. Let's speed up this process. Next step is tuning process, and here's how it looks. I hit the tongue, and there is few tones what I should tune. Here is first tone, main tone, there's second, third, and there's other one. So I need to adjust this red line to the perfectly to the green line. So I need to low down first tone, need to low down second tone, and I need to tune up the third tone, and same thing for others. The second tone because it's not perfect aligned. First tone is also not aligned. Third tone and other ones. Not really fast process, but it requires a time and attention to details. So the tones should be tuned perfectly. And here is some final result after the whole process.